Imagine you are running a small grocery store. You have 3 items, milk, bread, and apples. You want to store their prices in Python. If we use a list, it looks like this. Prices equals 2.5, 3.2, 1.1. Now, here is the problem. Which price is for the milk? Is it the first one? The last one? This is a confusion. Also, if I add eggs to the start of the list, all the positions shift. It's a nightmare to keep track of. We need a way to label our data. So here is a solution. In Python, we have a dictionary. It's like a physical price tag. It connects a key to a value. Key is actually the label, and a value is actually a data. We use curly braces and a colon to glue them together. See this code carefully. We have milk, bread and apple attached with their values in an organized way. The key is the item name, the value is the price. So this is called dictionary in Python. Now, how to use dictionary. In a list, you'd have to remember a number like 0 or 1. In a dictionary, you just use the name. As I have used milk as a name here, so if I print it, so I will definitely get an output 2.5, so let's run it. Yes, we were right, 2.5 is the output. Next point, adding a new item like store eggs equals 4.5, you don't need a special command like append. You just create a new label and give it a value. And print store, so let's run it. Yes, you can see, all the items are printed and last item, eggs as well, have also been added in the dictionary. Next use is changing a price. Let's say I want to change the price of bread from 3.2 to 2 and print store with bread new value. Let's run it, guys. So yes, the value of bread is updated. So here, I am deleting apple from the dictionary. Let's run it. Yes, you can see, we are left with only 2 items. And apple is removed. So this was all about the dictionaries. Also remember this important rule. If you just have a list of names, use a list. If you have a list of names with information attached to them, like prices, phone numbers, or birthdays, always use a dictionary. So we have taken a basic overview of Python dictionaries, so like the video, and at the end a mini challenge is available for you. So solve the challenge and send me. I will check and send you feedback. See you soon guys in next video.